Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for beginners. 3D printing is a fun and rewarding experience. This 3D printer is primarily used for users who want to create intricate and detailed models. But ensuring you get the right printer for your needs is essential. To help you out, we have researched and compiled a list of the best 3D printers for beginners that are available today. The best 3D printer is used in any condition, even for education and professional applications. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Anycubic Cobra Go 3D printer. The Anycubic Cobra Go 3D printer is a professional-grade device that caters to beginners who want to explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. With its separated Bowden extruder design, the printer delivers faster printing speeds of up to 60 mm per second and a maximum of 100 mm per second, providing an efficient workflow and shorter turnaround times. Its increased print size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 and /250 by 220 by 220 mm offers a broader scope for creativity and experimentation. The printer's design is incredibly user-friendly, featuring step-by-step assembly tutorials, detailed video guidance, and a comprehensive user manual, making it easy to set up and operate. The newly designed LCD knob control allows for simple operation. The smart sensors, including power-off resuming and filament runout detection, needs to be purchased separately, minimize the risk of printing failures and wastage of resources. Anycubic Cobra Go comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring beginners can receive assistance and support whenever needed. With fast printing speeds and advanced features, the Anycubic Cobra Go 3D printer is the perfect choice for beginners looking to embark on their 3D printing journey confidently and quickly. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is Mallion M810 3D printer. If you are a beginner looking to explore the exciting world of 3D printing, the Mallion M810 3D printer is a perfect option. With its easy and quick assembly process, even those new to 3D printing can set up the printer in just a few minutes. This provides a fun and educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics, making it an excellent choice for STEM enthusiasts. One of the critical features of the Mallion M810 3D printer is its heated, removable magnetic build plate, which allows for easy removal of prints and cleaning of the platform. The dual Y gantry of the Mallion M810 3D printer provides a stable base for the print bed, minimizing wobble during printing. This ensures better print quality and prevents the need to level the bed repeatedly, making it a more stable option than single Y gantry models. With lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service, the Mallion M810 3D printer offers excellent value for its price. With its user-friendly features and high-quality components, the Mallion M810 3D printer is a perfect choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3 is Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer is a top-of-the-line option for novice users venturing into the world of 3D printing. With its upgraded CR Touch auto-leveling system, this printer provides precise and accurate leveling of the build surface, resulting in superior print quality. Moreover, the innovative PC Spring Steel platform offers a removable magnetic build plate that simplifies removing finished models. The printer's metal Bowden extruder is a standout feature as it is more durable and provides greater extrusion force than plastic extruders. The extruder is equipped with a rotary knob that ensures smoother feeding and withdrawal of filaments, thereby reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. The upgraded UI adds a model preview function, allowing users to observe the printing shape and progress efficiently. Notably, this printer has a silent motherboard, guaranteeing faster and more stable motion performance while ensuring printing remains noiseless. It can resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer is an exceptional choice for novice users seeking a reliable, user-friendly 3D printer with advanced features and superior print quality. So if you want to purchase this printer, check the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Antenatina 2S 3D printer. The Antenatina 2S 3D printer is ideal for beginners looking into 3D printing. Its compact design, fully assembled structure, and user-friendly interface make it the perfect starting point for entry-level players. The Tina 2S is a knowledgeable printer, boasting a self-developed app and extensive model library, which provides one-click control of the printer. The user can print via multiple methods, such as the app, USB, or Y-Builder slicing software, which is fully open source and compatible with popular slicing software such as Kobra, Simplify 3D, and Slicker 3R. The upgraded Wi-Fi printing feature enables 5 times faster file transfer speeds, ensuring a quicker and more stable experience. The built-in LED light and quick-change test nozzle make it easier to operate and monitor printing at any time and location. The printer is also equipped with a silent motherboard and upgraded fan, allowing for better molding effects and excellent print quality while reducing the loss of supplies. The automatic leveling system and heated platform ensure successful printing without requiring manual adjustments. The Antenatina 2S 3D printer is an excellent gift for children and beginners, featuring novel colors and an anti-skull design. If you are interested in the Entina 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is WEEFUN Mini 3D printer. Are you looking for a user-friendly and affordable 3D printer for beginners? Then the WEEFUN Mini 3D printer is the perfect choice for you. This fully assembled printer is easy to operate straight out of the box, with a 2.4-inch LCD and a sample PLA filament roll included. The printer also has a micro SD card containing multiple model files, so you can start printing immediately. One-touch auto bed leveling eliminates manual adjustments, making printing more precise and straightforward for beginners and children. The WEEFUN Mini 3D printer also boasts high-precision printing with its dual Z-axis and dual Y-axis rails design, further improving stability and printing quality. It is compatible with PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it perfect for home use, school classrooms, and offices. The WEEFUN Mini 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone new to 3D printing. It's easy to use, precise, and affordable, making it an excellent option for beginners who want to experiment with 3D printing without breaking the bank. So if you buy the Mini 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for beginners. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.